Good morning. Welcome to an episode of Brickwise Unboxing. So this is the new typewriter set. This is the back side here. A little bit disappointed. I got this box a bit damaged. I may have to talk to Lego about that. But very neat looking set. My understanding, it does actually type. We'll have to do a review on this. My next review that's going to come up is the roller coaster, and then I've got the Disney Castle built, so I'm going to review that, and then I'll review this. I might do it in a different order, but those are my next three reviews that are coming up. My understanding is you hit the keys, and one of these strikers comes up. The red part here is a new element, the ribbon part there, and it actually does come with this, is what I've been told. You can actually crank it into the typewriter. So let's look around here. This is set number 21327. It's an ideas set. 2,079 pieces and 18 plus. And Lego ideas. So Lego ideas number 35. Very, very neat. You look at the top here. Actual size.
Very good rice builder helping rice.
Yes, you are going to help me with the unboxing today, and you're very excited about it. Yes.
I'm excited about it because we're gonna build it too.
Yeah, it's going to be built today. Now, again, very similarly, the box is a bit damaged. These right here are also sideways a little bit, so
I can't take off the tape.
Hopefully everything inside is fine.
I can't take off the tape.
No, we do usually keep the ideas boxes. All right, so a bunch of stuff in there. How many bags do you think it's going to be?
500.
500. I don't think it's going to be quite that many. All right. I'm going to back up a little bit here so I can put them down as we take them out. Oh, look. What number is that? 6. It's a smaller bag. What number is this one? 7. No, that's not a 7.
6.
That's an upside down. Like this would be 6. It's a 9.
It's a 9. No, I forgot that number.
Oh, what's that one? A 1 and a 0 together.
It's 10.
10. So there's at least 10 bags. Not 500 yet. Oh, what number is that one?
5.
5. Oh, stop bumping the camera, please. All right.
Whoa. 7.
7, yeah. What else we have? Oh, what number is that one?
20.
20. No, that's an 11. Silly.
11. See?
All right. And bag 5. Hey, stop bumping the camera, please.
Okay.
What bag is that?
1.
1, yeah.
Other bones.
I don't see bones in there, no. Those are just Technic pieces, though.
What is that? 11?
It's another bag 6. Sometimes they have 2 of the same bag number. Ooh, bag 3. That has the shift key and all the letter keys in it. None of these are stickers. It's always neat.
We never saw stickers on everything now.
Bag 2. Oh, there's a few more bags in here.
What is that? 1.
1, yeah.
Just like the Jeep.
Just like the Jeep, yes. We got the Jeep for Mama for her birthday. 8.
That has pieces like that will never be.
Oh, the color of the Statue of Liberty, yeah.
What?
Yeah, we'll have to review that one.
Another one?
Another one, yeah. This one is not a numbered bag.
bag 4.
4. Oh, everything's sliding. Let's still see it okay on the camera. Oh, another bag.
4.
4.
What?
Oh, here's some more letters. Number 3. And this is the final bag, which is bag number 7.
7.
So there's multiple of some of the bags, but there is a total of 11 bags in there.
I bought her 500. Is there 500?
So this is, I'm sure, the papers as well as the manual. So I'm actually going to pause the video for a second here so I can get something to cut this open with. All right, and we are back. So I'm going to open this.
Hey, I'm hoping right again. I was waiting for Rice to come back with scissors.
That was a knife, but we're going to keep that
Actually,
aside.
a knife.
Oh, and here is the manual.
Manual. I read it. Take the manual.
Oh, that looks complicated. That'll be fun to build.
Can I build it?
You can help build it, yes. Put the manual right here. See what else we got in here. This is Lego Ideas booklet. Oh, so these are all of the letters. I somehow expected this to be a regular size sheet, but I guess it makes sense that it's smaller. Multiple different languages. I believe there's 42 of these in total. So it tells you how to do it.
Why is there an X?
Oh, that's neat. Okay.
Hi, guys.
All right. Oh, hey, hold on.
Hello, guys.
All right, let's see if there's anything else in here. There is a sticker, 2 stickers. So that's not too bad. It makes sense for these to be stickers. These go on there as well.
Yeah. Can I hold them?
No, not the stickers, sweetie. All right, so that has been our unboxing of the Lego Ideas set for the typewriter, number 21327. Thank you very much for.
Goodbye.
Hold on. Thank you very much for joining us, and go ahead.
Goodbye.
Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.